don't wanna hurt you, but I need to breathe. At the end of it all, you're still my best friend. But there's something inside that I need to release. Which way is right and which way is wrong? How do I say that I need to move on? You know we're headed in separate ways, and it feels like I am just too close to love you. There is nothing that I can really say. I can't lie no more. I can't hide no more. Got to be true to myself. It feels like I am just too close to love you. So I'll be on my way. You gave me more than I can return. It is on so much more than you deserve. I've nothing to say, I've nothing to give, I've nothing to do. I must leave without you. You know we're headed in separate ways, and it feels like I am just too close to love you. I'll be on my way.